Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen somewhere, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. So in this video, I am going to teach you guys how to get your streams from looking like this to looking something like this. Now the key to doing this is to change your bitrate. I'm going to teach you how to do that on Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to settings. So click settings over here, go to output, make sure you're on the streaming tab. And if you go down here, you could see where it says rate control. Make sure it's at CBR. So if you have it on anything else, just put it to CBR. And for bitrate, you're going to want to change the bitrate from 1000 or whatever number it was before to around 4500. This is what I personally use. So the highest you can go is 6000. So if you want, you can go to 5000 or even 6000. And 6000 is the highest bitrate that Twitch allows, so don't go higher than 6000. But if you have it at the highest bitrate, chances are your stream might be laggy for yourself or for your viewers. And if your viewers find your stream laggy, chances are they're just gonna click away from your stream and not gonna want to watch you. So I highly recommend going to around 4500. That's what I personally use. And yeah, changing the bitrate is the key to fixing your pixelated stream. So just change your bitrate from 1000 or whatever it was before to 4500, and it should do the trick. And after you do that, just click done. Now if you want to do this for recording, it's pretty much the same thing, slightly different though. So I'm going to show you. So click again to settings, output. This time click on recording, and if you scroll down a little over here where it says rate control, again make sure it's at CBR. So if you have it on anything else, put it to CBR. And the bitrate that I use for recording is 15,000. And the reason why I put it really high is because I'm recording, I'm not streaming, so I don't have to worry about any lag. So you can change this from whatever number it was before to around 15,000, and that's it. After you do that, just click done. So if you're using OBS Studio, it's a pretty similar process. So all you have to do is go to settings, go to output, and make sure you're on the streaming tab. Of course, the rate control is right here. So if you have it on anything else, change it to CBR. And the bitrate is right here, and change the bitrate from 1000 or whatever number it was before to around 4500, and then just click apply and you're good to go. And for recording, click on the recording tab, and over here is where the rate control is. Make sure it's at CBR and bitrate 15,000, and change it from whatever number this was to around 15,000, and just click apply, and then you're good to go. And that is all that you have to do to fix your pixelated stream on Streamlabs OBS or OBS Studio, whichever one you're using. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which will be on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.